How to retrieve archived emails on Gmail. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to tackle a common question: how to retrieve archived emails in Gmail. If you have accidentally archived an email or just want to find something you have stored away, don't worry, I've got you covered. Now, without further ado, let's get started. First thing first, open up the Gmail app. Make sure that you're logged in with a Gmail account. Once you are inside the Gmail, simply tap on the three dash icon shown on the top left corner and the menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on All Mail. In the All Mail section, you will see all your emails, including the one in your inbox and those you have archived. And here is how to identify archived emails. Emails with the label inbox beside them are still in your inbox, and emails without the inbox label are archived. And if you want to move your archived email back to your inbox, simply open that particular email. Once you are inside the mail, simply tap on the three dot icon on the top right corner and the pop up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on Move to Inbox and your archived mail will be moved to your inbox. And that's it. Viewing and managing archived emails in Gmail is that simple. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.